Welcome to a modern coconut factory, where fresh coconuts are transformed into pure coconut juice using advanced technology. Our journey begins at the factory entrance, where trucks arrive carrying freshly harvested young green coconuts.
These coconuts are sourced directly from trusted farms to ensure maximum freshness and natural sweetness.
Only coconuts that meet strict quality standards move forward into the production line.
This cleaning process ensures complete surface hygiene.
They now enter the automated dehusking area.
The inner shell remains completely intact during dehusking.
Removed husks are collected separately for recycling.
This one is definitely compromised. Look at the seepage here. Yeah.
Agreed. We need to pull it from the line.
Only perfect coconuts are approved for juice extraction. Special care is taken to avoid mixing shell or pulp particles. These tanks help preserve freshness and flavor.
Next, the juice goes through a filtration system.
The aroma of fresh coconut remains intact.
Low-temperature pasteurization is used for safety.
Harmful bacteria are eliminated during this step.
Nutrients and natural taste remain preserved.
This process extends shelf life naturally.
Veritas. The pH level stabilizes at 6.4. As we slowly introduce the reagent, the bottles and cartons are pre-sterilized.
Caps are sealed tightly for freshness.
Every bottle is traceable through its batch code.
Storage temperature is strictly controlled.
This keeps the coconut juice fresh until delivery.
We need that shipment ready in 10 minutes.
Moving the pallet to the dock now. Watch out for the forklift.
All right, bring that pallet in. Easy on the right. Copy that. Making space for the crate now.
Refrigerated trucks maintain freshness during transport. Meanwhile, factory waste is carefully managed.
Some waste is used to make organic fertilizer.
This supports an eco-friendly production system.
This ensures high hygiene at every step.
Every stage is monitored by trained staff.
Freshness is preserved from farm to bottle.
Technology plays a key role in consistency.
The result is pure, refreshing coconut juice.
No artificial flavors are added.
What you taste is completely natural.
Each bottle contains the goodness of fresh coconuts.
Yet the natural essence remains unchanged.
Every sip reflects careful processing.
This is how coconut juice is made today. The process utilizes advanced machinery to efficiently bottle fresh coconut water.
We take the finest raw coconuts and process them in our advanced facility, extracting the refreshing water and sealing.
It really is the perfect balance of nature and technology, isn't it? Absolutely stunning.
Behind one bottle lies a complex process.
Next time you drink coconut juice, remember this journey.
From the farm, through the factory, to your hands.
The modern process begins as fresh coconuts arrive, are cracked, and the pure juice is extracted and bottled on